Hello and welcome to our channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you're new here, please give us a like and show us support by subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. It is agreeable that we all love money. The fear of poverty pushes the poor and rich alike to do as much as they can to acquire more money to lead a better life. For many, happiness and money are interlinked. But as much as everyone is actively working to possess more money and evade poverty, have you taken a step back to think about why some people are so good at it, while many others constantly oscillate between being broke and having some money? Experts boil down this difference to one key element of success: mindset, which they say accounts for 80% of success, with skills only contributing about 20%. In her book, Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, which was the culmination of 30-year-old quantitative study, Stanford University psychologist Carol Dweck found that ability wasn't the key to success. Rather, the key is in the belief that ability can be developed, an abundance mindset. As such, developing the right, positive financial mindset can be the difference between your current financial situation and you achieving your long-term financial goals. What is money mindset? Money mindset is your set of individual beliefs and attitudes about money, which shape your decision about earning, spending, investing, and generally everything about handling your money. Your attitude towards money affects how much you think you are worth, how much you think you can earn, what you can or cannot do with money, whether to invest, take debt, if to give away money, as well as your perception of the rich and poor. For example, do you think money is the root of all kinds of evils? For many, beliefs about money are picked up from childhood experiences. Typically, we are programmed from a young age to think of money as a finite resource, a rare thing that you cannot afford to make mistakes with. If the environment we continue living in reinforces this belief, then this scarcity mentality might be carried over into adulthood. On the other hand, if one grew up in a financially secure environment, an abundance mentality will very likely persist in their adulthood. Scarcity mindset. Most people are deeply scripted in what I call the scarcity mentality. They see life as having only so much, as though there were only one pie out there. And if someone were to get a big piece of the pie, it would mean less for everyone else. Stephen Covey. This is essential what a scarcity mindset looks like, as coined by Stephen Covey, an author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, where he also coined the abundance mindset. With this mindset, one thinks that whatever is available cannot be enough, leading one to hog everything in an effort to save for the future. A scarcity mindset results in stress, fear, and anxiety. How to identify if you have a scarcity mindset? If you are the kind that is worried more about not having enough every day, despite having given your very best towards achieving financial stability, then you could be having a scarcity mindset. And here are some signs. You believe that situations are permanent and there is nothing much you can do to change them. Fear of change. You would typically take longer to accept and adapt to change and spend time complaining about it. Being envious of others. You are overly competitive and resent the success of others. When you are envious of the success of others and the nicer things they have, you throw gratitude out of the window. It does in no way change your current circumstances. A know-it-all attitude. With the scarcity mindset, the motivation to learn and grow is very low. This severely limits your ability to improve your financial situation. Regularly using self-defeating words of scarcity. You harbor thoughts and use words that demotivate you from pursuing growth, such as "it is what it is," "I'm not smart enough," or "I can't handle this." Abundance mindset. In contrast, An abundance mindset is one where there is belief that there is plenty for everyone out there. Stephen Covey defined it as a concept in which a person believes there are enough resources and successes to share with others. With an abundance mindset, you are in the driver's seat of your private, financial, and work life. You believe you have more control over what happens in your life, energized and positive with an outlook that you are working towards something bigger than yourself. Do you know that person at work or elsewhere that you have interacted with who energizes and inspires others? They likely have an abundance mindset. Some characteristics of an abundance mindset include excitement about challenges, change, and growth, big picture thinking, clarity of mind and ability to see different perspectives, eager, non-judgmental learners, or thinking like a beginner, and creative agency. I can do attitude, I always have a choice, practicing gratitude, practicing abundance affirmations, and opposed to defeatist thoughts and using words of scarcity, living in optimism and genuinely celebrating the success of others. How can a money mindset of abundance help me grow my wealth? In wealth creation, the reality is that you have to spend to attract that which you seek. For those with an abundant mindset, they will not worry about spending their time, money, and other resources to learn how to make money. If there is an opportunity, they will jump into it as long as it is promising. In Kenya, there is a common saying that money is money, no matter the source. This is the attitude that an abundance mindset allows. It doesn't matter if you make money from garbage collection or working a 8-to-5 job in a blue chip company. The abundance mindset allows one to forego instant gratification, to put up a fund for the future and be very content that they don't have a designer watch or the nicest house in the neighborhood. Moving from a scarcity to an abundance mindset. The good news is that anyone can transition from a scarcity to an abundance mindset if they so wish. The very first step is to focus on what you already have. This means you need to start seeing opportunities and not limitations. Instead of frowning over the transferable skills you lack, put the solid skills you have earned into use. You also need to start unlearning a lot of what one has grown accustomed to when it comes to money. There is a need to be open to learn new things and gain new experiences around money, so surrounding yourself with people with an abundance mindset. Since a scarcity mindset makes one overly competitive, that is, if one wins, another loses. Start creating win-win scenarios. Understand what this would mean for both of you and how to achieve it. Brainstorm and collaborate. You should do this both in your professional and personal life. Practice gratitude in your daily life. You could keep a daily gratitude journal that helps you appreciate the good things happening in your life. Gratitude will give you the impetus to change your next goals and, importantly, help you see possibilities that the tunnel thinking of scarcity mindset blinds you from. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something interesting. Comment down below what you liked the most about this video and suggest any topics that you would like to hear about in future videos. To show us support, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.